Kill me.
Hey. Hey. Go kiss Evie like you were doing. I got the camera because you were loving on Evie. It was cute. And you're making her laugh. Go make Evie laugh. Make her laugh. Oh, okay. I think you're hurting her. You need to lay next to her, not on top of her. You don't want to hurt her. You gonna make Evie laugh? I think you tickled her. Evie. Oh my gosh. Jack, you're not supposed to push her over. You silly boy. You silly boy. Don't push her over. Don't do that. You're not supposed to lay on top of her. Lay next to her, okay? Oh, no, don't roll her over. Don't roll her over. You're gonna... Jack, sweetheart, don't roll her over. Oh, Jack! I told you not to do that. Don't do that.
Copy.
Jack. Jack. Don't roll her over. You're gonna hurt her. Leave her. Don't roll her over. Jack, no. You scamp. Why don't you go make her laugh some more?